What do you understand about the present, the here and now? If you go to Wikipedia, they will tell you that scientists have so far failed to explain fully what lies between the future and the past. Is the present just an illusion? My name is Kevill Davies. I believe that the twin pillars of learning, religion and science have failed to deliver on the explanation of the paradoxes of nature and the true meaning of the universe. Religion will tell you that they have all the answers to life and the meaning of the universe. Everything, the truth, can be found in the scriptures. Science, on the other hand, seeks the truth in empiricism. After the heady days of the 20th century, when we came so close to understanding the theory of everything, discovery of radioactivity, the quantum physics theories, the theories of relativity, science seems to have gone into a cul-de-sac in the 21st century. Even Stephen Hawking has given up his quest, his holy grail of the theory of everything. I believe the problems with science are down to uncertainty. I believe also that this is due to the paradox of unity. Let me ask you, what is the square root of 1? I know the majority of you will come up with the correct answer of +1. I'm equally certain that a smaller number of you will come up with the other correct answer, which is -1. And I believe it is this dichotomy that is at the cause of all the misunderstandings that we have in science today. Let me show you what I mean. I'm going to use a little experiment, and I'll turn to my trusty props bag. I have here a handkerchief of sides +1. Can you make that out? I have here also another handkerchief of sides -1. I'm sure you can all see that? No? No, that's probably because your brains can't see minus dimensions. But let me help you. Let me put a little piece round so that you can see the edges clearly, and now you can see quite clearly the handkerchief with sides -1 and the handkerchief of sides +1, and you will see instantly that their areas are both real. They're both +1, and it is for this reason that I think we ought to be looking at objects in a different light than science allows us today. To explore further the implications of negative dimensions, I ask myself the question, how long is a piece of string? Is what I'm perceiving, is what I see, all that there is to see? By introducing 2 extra dimensions, the unreal and the imaginary, this is a term introduced by Stephen Hawking in his book A Brief History of Time, I was able to mathematically to show that the length of string with 2 extra dimensions is exactly the same as the length of piece of string I'm holding up now. This is an amazing discovery. It was my eureka moment. It was the moment I determined that science had got it all wrong. To learn more about the implications of negative dimensions on our world and the real life that we live in, look at my book, Spiritual Man, An Introduction to Negative Dimensions by Kevill Davies. In my book, you will find the answers to the question he posed right at the beginning of this film, and many other answers to the paradoxes of the universe.